This is the certificate of Android Enterprise Associate Learning Path. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of Google Training Partner. If you not yet visited, please visit this video. There is link in the description for sign up process on this Google Training Partner where you get many courses from the Google. There are many learning paths, many courses, many exams, and you also get badges and certificates. And if you want the certificate which I shown initially of Android Enterprise Associate, then it needs a proper attention for next 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, you get a handsome certificate from Android, and there is a certificate ID also on your certificate. So let's start it with a pre-course survey. It is a random survey. You'll just give any rating, and after that, after this survey, there is an exam, a pre-exam, where there are some basic questions which test your knowledge about the Android. It is a pre-assessment, so just follow as I am showing in this video. You get a full marks 100% in all the exams which is in this module, in this chapters, and it is a pre-assessment. You can see what I am doing here. Just stay tuned. There are total 5 questions are here. We completed this assessment with full marks of 5 out of 5. Now we are going for the next one. Next is Introduction to Android Enterprise. And just tapping on Start Course, you get your course. It's take some minutes to open this. So just wait after tapping on the topics which is shown in the course overview. And now I am going to start it. If you want your certificate in 15 minutes, then just scroll up and go to the below and tap on the next lesson, and here is the next one. You can see it is the next one. You can do the same thing here. Just scroll up and go to beneath, and here you need to flip all the cards to go the next lesson. Here are some videos. If you want to see, then you can watch. And if you want the certificate instantly, then you just follow as I am showing in this video. 15 minutes is the minimum time you required for getting this certificate. Now this is the next lesson, and here you need to tap on all these buttons which are showing here. You can see there is written that lessons must be completed in order. For completing in order, just tap on first one. You get it. After that, second, third, fourth. When you tap on fourth, after that you are able to access the next content of this chapter, and here we completed it. Just tap on all done, and you get the course overview here. Now we are going for the next one, that is of Android security. This is the overview. Just scroll up and go to the lesson number 2, layers of security. There is nothing here. Just scroll up and go for the next one. We are on the next, and here you tap on learn about, next, and here go below and just go to the next lesson. Let's review. It is taking our remembrance power by quiz. Here the quizzes start. Let's see what the answer are. There are total 3 questions, and this is the first one. How many devices does Google Play Protect scan every day? That is 1 billion. You can see the answer is correct. The next question is, which of the following not security a feature of the Android platform? It is a security checkup. This answer is also correct. And this is the third one and the last. What percentage of Android devices using Play are free to potentially harmful apps? 99.99%. Here, you just tap on 99.99% and just submit it. All the answers are correct. Now move to the next one. Here you can see the quiz results is 100%. Now we are on the next part, and it is the last. You just tap on all done, we completed 2 of the chapters here. Now we move to the next module, which is Android management. Here is the Android management course. Just tap on start course, and here is the firstly an overview. Course overview is here, not course overview. This is the lesson overview, and you can see here you need to do the same thing which I initially mentioned. Just scroll up and go to the below and tap on the next lesson, and here there is one more quiz. Let's review. There is a quiz. It also contains 3 questions with managed Google Play. There are multiple choice questions, so you need to do all answers are correct here, and just tap on the next. Here there is the fill in the blanks. You need to choose the correct word from the below. It is answer is zero touch. Go for the next. It is also correct. And the third question is, on personally owned Android devices running Android 5 Plus, what features you get at work profile? And here create a company managed. Just tap on the next. We completed it with the 100%. You can see the quiz result. Your score is 100%. We go for the next lesson. Key takeaways. What's next? And here just tap on all done, and we completed this module also. And we go for the next one, that is of Android flexibility. This is the Android flexibility. This is the overview of module, and we go for the next. Just scroll down. You can see all the contents here. Scroll down. Just start the quiz. Here only one question is there, but it is match of the following question, and here it needs a proper attention from you. You can see the first answer is scan inventory as it leaves the stockroom. Single use with the reused enterprise recommended device. Just tap on that and take it to the next one, which is the correct. I'm going to show you here. Employee provided. I just tap on it. Take it to the right answer, right matching. You can see here. You do the same thing. This is very easy and also very funny to do this type of works. And after that, it's also correct. Just tap on the next. Our quiz result is 100%. Now go to the next lesson, lesson number 4. And just scroll down. What's the next? Just tap on all done, and it is completed. Now we completed 4 contents, and it is the selling Android enterprise. Just start the course on tapping on start course, and here is the module overview. It is a course because it is a learning path. There are many courses here. All the courses are very simple. It takes only 10 to 20 minutes to complete. And here we are going for the next one. This total learning path is of 70 minutes, and all the courses are 10 to 20 minutes. So that's not much very hard job. And here we are going for the next one. You can see we only tap on next step, and we completed lesson 4 qualification. And here we need to put some of the cards in the matching columns. You can see here who else is stakeholder selecting a mobile platform. Just tap on it and go to the authority. You do the same thing. All new cards are appear here. Just tap on it, take it to the proper one, the proper box. And here when do you need, and it is go to the need column, not need column, time frame column. Have you stabilized a budget? It is a budget column. Do you need to make a business case to secure? It is also in budget. How many people are in need of a new mobile solution? And it is go for the need. How important is to the organization to find a flexible mobile solution? Just tap on it, take it to the need box, and here when do you need to complete an evaluation? It goes to the time frame, and we completed with 7 out of 8 cards correctly. And now go for the next one. After this there is one more quiz type, that is of myth and fact. You can see here there are some factual statements and there are some myths. You need to match the correct one, the myth with the fact. And here I am going to show you. This is a myth. First, Android devices are difficult to deploy. Just tap on it, take it to the here. Android devices are deployed here. Android offers a simple deployment options including zero touch for no actual app. Okay, you would do the same thing for all of it. Just tap on it, take it to the correct one. Android is unsecure, and here Android is one of the most secure. Android devices are less than premium. Not Android devices are very premium ones. Android devices come in all sorts of materials, shapes and sizes to fit your needs. Myth is Android app ecosystem, and here we completed all. You can see all are correct. You can match with this when you are doing this, and after that our quiz result is 100%. Now we are going for the next one. Just follow me, just tap on all done, and we completed it. This is the next one, Android Enterprise Sales Simulation, and this is the last lesson, this is the last chapter, and after that there is some course survey and post assessment is there. I am going to start it. Firstly you need to complete it. This is not a video, you need to start it. Just tap on one, and here just tap on next. This is the second question. First answer is yes, and here the answer is not to worry, Google sends out monthly. This is the third question where answer is with managed Google Play, and after this is the fourth question where answer is zero touch, and this is the last one, the answer is yes, and after that next. Here you need to choose one in the first column. You just see what I am choosing. Firstly COBO, then zero touch, then app development, and this is correct, SEO. Just tap on the next one, and here just see what the answers are. Yes, firstly, and after that we need to put the correct cards in the correct columns. Here I am just putting, just take it and drop in the correct boxes. Here I am just doing the same thing. You can just follow it. Nicely done, because we have completed all the answers correctly. Here the answer is with Android devices inscription. Second, actually Gartner rated Android higher. Third, work profiles. Here you can see work profiles. This is the next second option. And here Google Play Protect. This is the first option. And managed Google Play. That is the second option. This all are correct. Now we need to do the same thing which we done before. Just take it the right one from the above and put in the boxes. Here we correctly done. You can see the answer. This is the answer, and we done both the correct. And after we are able to get the next one here. What's next? Just tap on all done, and we completed it. And here there is a post course survey which is very easy. Just tap on any number for rating, and after that this is the post exam, and write post exam. After that you get your certificate. Now I'm going to start, but wait, there are some questions which are not matching with your assessment. So you can see here I am going to answer. There are total 10 questions here, but maybe your questions are not matched with it, because there are many questions which they put randomly in the any assessment. So you need to go through the link in the description where I written post course assessment answer. Just tap on it, go through it. There are total 25 questions, answers are there. Refer that. I guarantee that you get your 100% in your final assessment after going through it. And here is the fifth question, and after that total 5 questions are left. You can see there are no time limit. You can take as much time as you want. You can see here. This is the 7th question. The managed Google Play Stores allows IT admins. And here there is a fill in the blanks type. There is zero touch, as we get this type of question in also some courses. And this is the post assessment. So we get all the questions from all the courses. So You need to do the proper attention and also go through that link to get all the answers. And after I completed with 10 out of 10 passed, and now I'm going to exit. Here I completed all the courses, all the assessments, all the surveys, and now I am able to get my certificate. Here is the generate certificate option. When I tap on it, there is an option of download. When you tap on it, you get your certificate, a handsome certificate from Android. You can see this certificate is very nice. You can see it. This is from a Google Android. I hope you also like it. So if you get benefited by this video and if you get your certificate, then share this video to your friends. By this they also get benefited. That's much in this video. Thanks for watching.